Hi and welcome to this Tech House Tutorial 2017 course. This course has been designed to get you from the blank canvas to a finished record, and ultimately to get you the skills you need to get your track signed. This course is split into 8 modules, spanning 59 videos and totaling 9 hours of in-depth lectures. Once enrolled, you get unlimited access to the course materials, so you can study when it suits you. In the first module of the course, we analyse the current tech house charts, choose some reference tracks and create our rhythm section. Next, we create a solid low end by adding an analog style Moog bass. We then source and process some vocals to sit on top of the foundation of our track. In the next module, we synthesize some lead sounds using stock plugins, as well as showcasing some free third-party synths. Once all of the main elements are in place, we then demonstrate how to fully deconstruct a reference track's arrangement before going on to arrange and add automation to our own track. In the next module, we commit our parts to audio and mix the track down using a wide range of in-depth mixing techniques, as well as showcasing some helpful metering plugins. In the final video, we DIY master our track to get it to a competitive level of loudness that's ready to be played out in the clubs. Once enrolled on our course, our tutors are ready to lend a helping hand or answer any questions if you need them via the forum or support inbox. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you on the course.